Nagtungo po ang Mag-Agri Tayo sa Angat, Bulacan upang ihatid sa inyo ang launching ng Farm Fiesta of Natural Food Farm, a social enterprise and rural development project of Sante Aquaculture Science and Technology Foundation in cooperation with the Gawad Kalinga Community Development Foundation.
This farm is intended to be a livelihood project and food sufficiency project of the GK. And we've been supporting GK for the last 3 years, and we started out by building homes for the homeless.
Ito ang tawag natin na enchanted farm, no? Isang yung Gawad Kalinga na community na yung mga 60 pamilya dito na may mga bahay na ang 30 bahay ay bigay ng mga yung Club Bulaqueña at yung 30 naman bigay ng mga taga Canada, no? Kaya lang ito sila dati mga informal settlers na walang lupa at walang maayos na tahanan. Ngayon nagkaroon na sila ng lupa, tahanan at maayos na komunidad, may tubig, may ilaw.
But eventually we found out that a lot of them had to travel all the way to Manila to get a job, to earn a living, and parang the communities had to have a source of income. Since we are in the feed business, we decided to tackle this issue by providing some sort of food production income for the GK residents in this area.
So ngayon dito ay yung lugar sa paligid, no, kasi ang may-ari ng lupa na ito mayroon siyang 14 hectares. Yung 2 hektarya ay dinonate niya sa Gawad Kalinga. Ang 1 hektarya tinayuan ng bahay, eskwelahan, health center at saka yung kanilang livelihood center. Pero yung 1 hektarya ngayon ay tinataniman ng mga gulay, ng mga nagpapalaki sila ng baboy at manok, no, grown organically, to support about 20 families. Tapos dito sa kabila naman, ito yung Human Nature Farm. Dito naman yung mga ingredients din ng organic skincare product, no. So this is also supporting another 20 families, no. So ang nakikita natin na hindi lamang tayo nagre-relocate at nagtatayo ng mga tahanan at komunidad, pero pati yung kanilang pagkain, hanap buhay, no. Ngayon mayroon 38 na mga bata dito, elementary and high school, at 4 in college. So walang out of school dito kasi pati edukasyon ngayon kasama sa kanilang programa.
When we started planning the project, the Gawad Kalinga people encouraged us not only to produce simple daily food, but to add a unique aspect to it. So we've decided to produce the food in a natural manner. That way, we provide healthy food and we also value add in terms of market prices. And our first experiment started about 9 months ago. This is our 3rd crop actually of hogs. And with the manure from the hogs, we are going to engage in vermiculture so that we get some organic fertilizers for the vegetables. In the same way, we have some poultry there. They are natural range chickens. So we will collect also the manure from that area and transfer it to the vermiculture area. So it will be like an integrated organic, naturally grown food production system.
5 hectares of this land will be dedicated towards creating demo farms at saka mga businesses, no, for agri-based businesses, no. Meron tayong mga skincare product using lemongrass, aloe vera, gugo, mga citronella, yung mga indigenous na mga materials natin, no, that are good for the skin, and this is under the Human Nature brand.
Soon we will be adding marketing aspects to this, and we've engaged some bright entrepreneurs. There's a group called Organica from Ateneo, and they're preparing organic foods and marketing it all over the the city of Manila right now. But this brand can also become a national brand. And so is the food processing effort. We plan to package some food and sell them under the Natural Food Farm brand.
Ang target natin is to create a new breed of entrepreneurs, no, that will make our land productive, that will use mga local, mga indigenous raw materials, use the talents, no, of the Filipino, but also make the poor productive. No, so, and they share their profit with the poor. Now, so the goal is this is going to be what we call a village university for the rising Filipino entrepreneur. So makikita mo na merong grupo dito, bamboo products naman ang ilo-launch nila next month, bamboo cloth. After that, meron tayong grupo din dito na they are into jams, meron namang into pickles, no, meron mga gagawa ng mga honey dito. So bali, we hope that we can we will be able to really develop successful Filipino brands, no. So our goal is for us now not to be just exporters of raw materials and mga oils, essential oils, but for us to really go for finished products that we will market globally.
Hopefully, in many years, this concept will become a social enterprise that will help a lot of people create wealth within these communities. And this is the little bit that Sante is trying to do to uplift the lives of these common Filipinos.
We would like to invite partners, no, like yung mga the Bamboo Foundation through under Edmanda tumulong dito sa amin to plant 250 bamboos, no. Pero kailangan din namin we would like to partner yung mga cut flower industry para turuan din ng technology. Kung gusto nila magtayo ng negosyo rito, this will be, hopefully, this will become the most visited siguro tourist destination within 2 years. No, kasi marami ngayong mga estudyante from sa iba't ibang bansa. Nakita mo maraming mga French na students, merong mga taga Liverpool, nandito rin from the US, and the Singaporeans come here regularly. No, kasi nga the people now are looking at different models of social enterprise. And since Asia now is a destination of people from the West, you know, we believe that there is a lot that they can learn here. Pero ang target din natin is to make this into a university na for experiential learning, na yung mga business students ng mga business schools natin pumunta rito at matuto kung talagang paano magtayo ng negosyo, hindi na to take up a business course para maging empleyado sa ibang bansa. Well, they can get in touch with the Ateneo Gawad Kalinga office, no. We have the Center for Social Innovation, no, and they can also get in touch with us through the GK One World website, or they can also email me, Tony_Miloto@yahoo.com.